Want to capture leads like a pro? Today, we are diving into how to add custom fields in GoHighLevel. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I will show you step by step how to add custom fields in GoHighLevel. With these custom fields, you will gather exactly what you need to nurture your leads efficiently. Let's jump right in. Access settings. Start by clicking on the Settings tab on the left sidebar of your GoHighLevel dashboard. This is where all the customization magic happens. Add custom field. Once in Settings, select Custom Fields and click the Add Field button. You'll find various field types to choose from, like text, dropdowns, and checkboxes. Create your field. Now create your field. For example, if you want to know how leads found you, make a drop-down field by clicking Drop-down and then click on Next. Now, enter your field name. Select object options like Contact or Opportunity, and also select Group Options with your own wish. After this, enter your option name like Facebook, website, whatever. You can easily add new option by simply clicking on Add an Option. After this, click on Save button. Now, go to Contact tab and select any contact from there. Scroll a bit, and you will see that we successfully add custom field. Looking to enhance your workflow? Try GoHighLevel's 30-day free trial and book your kickoff call to get personalized support from the start. You can find all the details in the video description below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.